Hello everyone. Today we'll solve word problems about volume. We'll use what we learned to solve real-life problems. And also, my name is Kate. I'm come from Veritas College Academy. For we solving a problem, we have solving steps. Let me show you 5 steps. First, read carefully. Find what is given, like length, width, height, and radius. Second, identify the shape. Third, write the correct formula. Fourth, put in the numbers and calculate. And the last step is write the unit and answer. Like here, we have a problem for you about the water tank. A water tank is a rectangle box. The length of it is 50 centimeter. The width is 30 centimeter and height is 40 centimeter. So I have a question. What is the volume of it? So if we want to know the volume of it, we need to know the formula. We need to use the formula we taught before. It is length times width times height. And the next step is to calculate it. We need to use the number that is given up here. So it is 50 times 30 times 40. It equals 60,000. So we know the answer now, and we calculate the answer out. The volume is 60,000 cubic centimeter. Okay, let us look at the next example about another tank, a fish tank. A fish tank is a cube. The side of it is 18 centimeter. And we have a question here. How many liters of water can it hold? 1 liter equals 1 centimeter. And of course, we need to use the formula of a cube. I think you guys will already remember. It is side cubed. So it is 8 times 8 times 8 equals 512 liter. So we know the answer now. The liter of the water that the fish tank can hold is 512 liters. So we finish this problem. Let's look at next problem. This is a problem about a cylinder bucket. A bucket is a cylinder, and we have those data here. The radius of it is 2 centimeter. Height is 5 centimeter. And here we need to use pi, and pi is equal 3.14. And the formula of calculating this is volume equals pi times r squared times height. So we can use the formula to calculate it out. So I wrote it down here. 3.14 times 4 times 5, it equals 62.8 centimeter. And 62.8 centimeter equals to 62.8 liter. So the answer is the volume in liter of this bucket is 62.8 liters. So we finished this problem. Okay, I have another and the last example for you guys about like comparing two different things. Which has more volume? Box A and box B. Box A is rectangular. It is 10 times 6 times 5 equals 300 centimeter. And box B is a cube. It is 7 times 7 times 7. The answer is 343 cubic centimeter. So we know the answer now. The cube has more volume because 343 cubic centimeter is bigger than 300 cubic centimeter. Okay, we finished all of our problems now. Let's review. There are some common mistakes. I wrote it down for you guys, so be careful about these. First, unit must be the same. Don't mix centimeter and meter. Second, don't confuse volume with surface area. Third, for a cylinder, if they give diameter, divide by 2 to get radius. 4. Remember, 1 liter equals 1 decimeter. 1 milliliter equals 1 centimeter, cubic centimeter. The last one is always write the unit and answer. Okay. Today we solved volume word problems. Remember the formulas. Rectangular box volume is equal to length times width times height, which is L times W times H. And the cube's volume is the size cubed. And for a cylinder, the volume is pi times r squared times height. And the step for solving problems is read, identify shape, using formula, calculate, and write the answer down. So now you can try it at home. Find a box, measure it, and calculate its volume. Great job today. We finished our class. Thank you for watching.